Hey guys, here is the update on my growing light project. What you could see 7 weeks ago, nearly. So these are the chili plants, and just planted them into separated pots because they were too big in the single pot. And the growing light is the same. It's running non-stop. We have a winter time here, or just approaching the spring, so there was literally no natural sunlight or really weak. Yeah, so this is mostly due to the growing light. This what you can see here. I think it's really nice. I heard that I need to be careful when moving those plants to outdoor environment because we have to uh, careful on the moving from artificial light to the natural sunlight. So you moving the plant outdoor for a few hours and moving back to the growing LED, and you can do this gradually to let the plants used to the sunlight. So that was the quick update. Good luck for your own project with that growing lights and have fun. See you guys.